828 Fine Adventure here, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, I have made this little thing so it's kind of a gag to mess with the people with the EV cars and to utilize some of these empty parking spaces at the shopping centers and whatnot. So hey, let's go check it out. So the good thing about this is I can store it in my car and I can put it anywhere on my vehicle since it has steel body panels. It won't stick to aluminum, those magnets don't do that, but it will stick to any place on your vehicle where you have steel, fenders or doors or whatnot. So let me get it out here. There you have it. So here you go. Just say I wanted to put it on the front fender here. I could do that. I could take this off. I could put it by the gas pump. I do not recommend that because you're dealing with high voltage, and I would keep that as far away from the gas tank as possible if you plan on doing something like this. Like I said, I'm kind of a prankster. This was kind of a little gag thing. I could stick it on the door, all over the place. This is just something it's just something I want to be goofy with and do this. Look at that. Boom. Pretty cool. And like I said, you can take this and you can put it right up here on the hood. Boom. Just like that. Pretty cool. Now tell me, does this look like a real EV to you or not? If I just walk up and unplug this thing and plug it into the back of my vehicle and walk away, you think anyone's gonna doubt it if they don't know anything about cars? Of course, the only full-size truck out there is a Ford Lightning and the Hummer and stuff. But really, and the Rivian, which my truck looks nothing like. But I mean, if I just plugged it in and walked away, the average person out there wouldn't know the difference, and they just think it was an electric vehicle and I was just plugging it in. What do they know? And are they going to mess with it? Probably not. They don't know if you have a battery in there or if you did a conversion. They don't know what you did. So, I will be utilizing a few of these choice parking spots, just for the heck of it. And I might film some people's reactions when they walk up to it. But really, it's just fun. I just did this for fun and just to mess with people. So, we'll see what they think. Well, I hope you like my video of me making that kind of a gag thing to go on the Tundra and show that it's a hybrid so I can park in some of these choice parking spaces. This thing here, I just had an idea. I saw that little holster for your EV nozzle or whatever, or charger. I saw that on Amazon, and I was like, oh my God, I could play the biggest prank on people. This would be awesome. It's really probably gonna, sorry if the camera's shaking a little bit, it's a little windy. I'm sure it's gonna piss off some of those people with the Teslas, but whatever. It's pretty cool. I did it for fun. I will use it when I'm at the grocery store. I will park in those EV spots. But anyways, if you're into this sort of thing, messing with people, it's kind of fun. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you would, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow, and I will see you next time. See ya!